Zaldy Salcedo Co., born December 8, 1970, is a Filipino businessman and politician serving as a representative for the Bicol Partylist in the House of Representatives of the Philippines since 2019. He's the CEO of Sunwest Group of Companies and chairman of the board of Misibis Bay Resort. Co was born on December 8, 1970, in Tabaco City, Albay, to entrepreneurs Delphin A. Co. and Elsie Salcedo Co. He completed his primary education at Bicol University College of Education Integrated Laboratory School in Legazpi City in 1982 and his secondary education at St. Gregory the Great Seminary in Tabaco City in 1986. He earned his bachelor's degree in computer engineering from Alma Computer College and later completed his Master of Business Administration at Aquinas University in 1998. Co is married to Mylene Co., with whom he has 4 children. In the 19th Congress of the Philippines, he was appointed as the chairperson of the House Committee on Appropriations. As committee chair, he oversaw matters relating to national government expenditures, including public indebtedness, creation and classification of government positions, and determination of salaries, allowances, and benefits of government personnel. In January 2025, however, Co was removed from the chairperson post. Controversies in family and deep laptop controversy. In February 2024, Senate Majority Leader Joel Villanueva raised concerns about Co's company, Sunwest Corporation, alleging its involvement in the family scandal and a controversial Department of Education laptop deal. Controversies in national budget dispute. In September 2024, Co, along with other lawmakers, disputed Vice President Sara Duterte's claim that only 2 officials controlled the national budget. Co described the statement as a scam attempt and emphasized that budget decisions were made collectively. Controversies in Bicol flood control funding controversy. In October 2024, Co faced scrutiny over statements regarding flood control funding in the Bicol region. A Vera Files fact check revealed that he had misrepresented the funding situation by claiming no billion peso funding was allocated for flood control projects, while the Department of Public Works and Highways had received 1.3 billion for such efforts in 2023. Co later defended the administration's strategy, explaining that funding was redirected toward water impounding facilities to improve food security. The Bicolano lawmaker was unceremoniously removed from his post as chairman of the powerful Appropriations Committee in early January 2025, just after the House returned to work from the Christmas break. The timing of the move could not be more suspect. It came just weeks after the passage of the most controversial budget yet, one that he helped draft under the administration of President Ferdinand Marcos. Jr. had also coincided with the massive Iglesia anti-Cristo rally that opposed efforts to impeach Vice President Sara Duterte, whose feathers Co had ruffled. Once at the apex of his political career, Zaldy Co today seems to be just another congressman. But make no mistake, his sudden exit doesn't simply relegate him to a position of irrelevance. He may no longer hold the chamber's power of a purse, but he remains a congressman with an empire. Representative Zaldy Salcedo Co., simply known as Zaldy, may no longer be the chairman of the House's Budget Committee, but he remains booked and busy these days, touring his home region with brother Christopher Coe and sister Farida Coe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.